In this video, we will show you how to use vertical bands to create a profit and loss table. To get started, create a new PixelPerfect template. Go to the reporting section of the app and select the tab Template. Then click the Create PixelPerfect Template button. Give a name to the report and click Create. The first step is to create data binding. Open the Field List menu, then open Levels, and search for the object you want to use as the level. In this example, we add P&L by year. Now, let's create the banded structure. Right-click on the Detail 1 band, select Insert Band, and then select Detail Report. Now, right-click the Detail Report band, select Insert Vertical Band, then select Vertical Header. Then right-click the Detail Report band again, select Insert Vertical Band, and select Vertical Total. You can reduce the width of the bands to save space. Now, let's bind the content to the data sources. Select the Detail Report band that contains the vertical bands. Click the gear icon at the edge of the design surface. As the data member, select the P&L by year level. Now, let's add the headers. From the toolbox, drag a label object onto the vertical header band. Add the text to your label, in this case, year. Then let's change the text format. Now, let's copy the label and paste it to add two other headers. This way, we maintain the same formatting. Let's name them Total Sales and Total Profit. Now let's add data to the template. Open the Field List menu and expand Levels. Expand the table you added earlier and drag the fields to the vertical detail band in correspondence with the respective labels you added earlier. Select the sales field you just added, open the menu, and then open the text format string. Choose Currency and select and adjust the decimal points. Then click OK. Repeat this process for the profit field. We need to configure the newly pasted sales and profit fields to summarize all data from the table columns. Select the sales field and open the Properties menu. Expand Data and then expand Summary. Set Running to Report. Then do the same for the profit field. Now open the expression editor and enter the following expression. Do the same for the sales field. This time, replace the expression in the sales field. Finally, let's populate the vertical total band. First, let's add the label. Copy the sales and profit fields and paste them onto the vertical total so that the pasted fields are aligned with the original fields. When done, click Save Template and then click Preview Report. Download the report and open it. And here's the result. You've now created a table with a vertical bands report outlining the total sales and profit for each year in the app. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.